Hey everyone! Welcome to Phonak 24 AI Mythbusters. Let's start! So today's myth is artificial intelligence will replace hearing care professionals. Let's bust the myth. As technology continues to evolve, it's important to remember the value of combining innovation with the expert care and guidance that hearing care professionals provide. AI is a helpful tool, but it can't replace a qualified hearing care professional's expertise and holistic approach. Integrating advanced technology with expert care ensures we get the most out of hearing aid technology and ultimately benefit the client. Myth busted! AI will not replace hearing care professionals. Thanks for joining Mythbusters. Follow Phonak 24 for more myth-busting fun and visit phonak.com to learn more.